How to make money on MetroOpinion step by step for beginners. Hi there, today we'll learn about MetroOpinion and how you can make profit out of it. So, just a brief explanation on what MetroOpinion is. This actually is a free survey panel where you can earn money by doing surveys. Our surveys are related to everyday life, and there are no questions about the things that you do not know the answer to, and the answers are only opinions. So these are actually opinions that Metro Opinion collects in order for them to help their partners understand the bigger picture of their audience or the scope of their product. So here I need I went to our browser and go to metroopinion.com. First thing that you need to do in order for you to sign up and register is to choose a country where you are located. So once you have selected the country, you can click on start here, and you will need to create the account first before you will start answering surveys. So here you just need to input your email address and the password, and then just confirm your password, and then you can go ahead and click on register. Okay, now you have successfully created your account in Metro Opinion. You can double your income by verifying your email address, but you can do that later on. So in order for you to get started, what you need to do is to make sure first that you have verified your email address, just to make sure that you have successfully created your account for Metro Opinion, and then you can just go ahead and click on login. That's on the upper right corner of the screen. Then you just need to input your email address and your password that you created earlier. Here, so once you have filled out your email and your password, you go ahead and click on login. And then here is your dashboard. Now that you're signed in, you can see here under profile, these are the informations that you need to fill out so that Metro Opinion will have your data in order for them to filter as well the surveys that they will be able to provide or designate to you, so that you will be able to have your opinion on that specific topic. So first thing here, you need to add more information about your age, your address, or your postal code, and then you just need to agree these information to make sure that you will be able to create or build your profile for this platform. So click on update, and here you see on this panel here, there are a lot of informations that you actually need to fill out, or these are questions that you need to fill out. And on the other side are your settings or your basic information like your name, phone number, gender. And this is also where you will be able to see or change your password and privacy settings. So here, as you can see, when you click on an icon under profile, you'll actually need to fill out the questions being asked there. This is actually helping Metro Opinion to know you better, so that they will be able to provide you topics that you have an idea about. So it does not only ask for your household, it also asks for your occupation or your knowledge about auto, There's also your educational profile or the electronics that you may use, your hobbies and interests, any gaming information or traveling questions that you can answer. Once you have filled out all of these informations here that they will ask, this will actually allow you to have more surveys that you can answer, which means the more surveys, the more income you have. So for example, here, as you can see, there are two surveys that I have. One is a 20-minute survey and the other one is a 31-minute survey on the account. But before you will be able to take a survey, there's actually a briefing or for them to check whether you will be suitable for answering the survey that they have. Here. So for example, let's answer one of the surveys. It will ask you first on your language, and then they will ask for basic or pre-qualification questions before you will be able to answer the real survey. You just need to fill out these informations here, and then click on continue. Then here, once or if ever you will not be qualified for taking that specific survey, it will actually route you back to your dashboard or into your homepage, into your account. See, here you will be able to, or you'll be routed into this page where it will guide you on the process of how you are getting paid, how you will be able to make use of this platform for you to be able to have the full access, or for you to be able to fully get the benefit with answering the surveys. So you can just fill out all these informations here, and then once done, you can actually answer more surveys in the future as well. And here as well, you can see in your rewards, this is your how much your balance is and your payout as well. And it also has information on how you will be able to withdraw the balance that you have from answering the surveys on this platform. And that's basically how you make money on MetroOpinion here on this platform. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.